Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Cash Express loan review. Honest thoughts, looking for an honest review of Cash Express? Here's what you need to know in under a minute. Official watchdogs paint a troubling picture. Better Business Bureau gives them an F rating, citing poor service and predatory practices, while Trustpilot scores hover just above average with mixed reviews. Across the Philippines and Southeast Asia, borrowers frequently report hidden issues, skyrocketing interest rates, and aggressive collection tactics, with some small loans more than troubling within the days. In the US, similar red flags appear, including suspicious requests like gift cards for bank verification. While Cash Express does provide quick cash, the steep costs, questionable methods, and legal concerns make it a risky choice. Bottom line, explore safer options like credit unions, fair installment loans, or employer pay advance before turning to Cash Express. If you do, proceed only with the full awareness of the risks involved. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.